Embracing life's crossroads. At some point, each of us encounters moments of profound challenge, overwhelming emotions, and daunting decisions. These experiences aren't just hurdles. They are life's way of communicating with us in its toughest language. Today, we delve into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that not only helps us endure life's battles, but also teaches us to view them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Number 1. Understanding Stoicism. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or enduring pain with a stiff upper lip. Instead, it's about understanding our emotions, managing our responses, and transforming obstacles into opportunities. Whether you're facing personal loss, professional setbacks, or daily frustrations, Stoic teachings provide a framework for turning trials into triumphs. Number 2. Transforming challenges into opportunities. Each challenge is a lesson in disguise designed to build strength and wisdom. Viewing difficulties as growth opportunities helps us adopt a Stoic mindset, turning adversity into a tool for personal development and resilience. This perspective allows us to remain agile and insightful, crafting us into stronger individuals. Number 3. Embracing humility and continuous growth. Acknowledging our ignorance is crucial for learning and growth. True wisdom comes from recognizing how much there is still to discover. By embracing humility and a mindset of continual improvement, we focus on making meaningful impacts rather than seeking fleeting fame. Number 3. Progress over perfection. True progress is achieved through continuous improvement rather than flawless execution. By focusing on actionable steps and learning from mistakes, we overcome the fear of imperfection and move towards our goals, valuing growth over unattainable standards. Number 4. Preparing for adversity. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Contemplate worst-case scenarios not to dwell in pessimism, but to be prepared for any challenge. This mental rehearsal enhances resilience and appreciation for positive times, creating a balanced emotional perspective. Number 5. Adapting to change. Life's constant flux is not to be resisted but embraced. By adapting to change and viewing each new challenge as an opportunity, we harness its power for growth and understanding. This approach helps us remain resilient and dynamic in the face of life's unpredictability. Number 6. Cultivating autonomy. Embrace independence to make decisions aligned with your values, free from external pressures. Cultivating self-sufficiency empowers you to navigate challenges on your terms, strengthening your ability to live with integrity and authenticity. Number 7. Prioritizing what matters. The trivial often distracts us from essential values like personal growth and meaningful relationships. By reducing clutter and focusing on what truly enriches our lives, we streamline our existence and live with intention. Number 8. Seeking inner satisfaction. Stoicism teaches that true satisfaction comes from within, not from external validation. By performing acts of kindness and maintaining integrity for their own sake, we cultivate a life of genuine purpose and inner peace. Number 9. Defining life through reactions. Our reactions, not circumstances, define our experiences. By mastering our responses, we transform challenges into lessons that refine our character and enhance our understanding, leading to a life marked by resilience and wisdom. Number 10. Bridging theory and practice. Stoicism bridges the gap between theory and practice, ensuring that what we learn directly impacts our lives. By applying Stoic principles, we deepen our understanding and navigate life's complexities more effectively. Number 11. Finding humor in life. Viewing life's unexpected moments with humor helps lighten our emotional load and maintain balance. This perspective fortifies our spirit against despair and enables us to navigate challenges with a smile rather than a frown. Number 12, embracing humility for growth. Embracing humility and acknowledging our ignorance opens us to continuous learning and self-improvement. This approach fosters genuine curiosity and enhances our connections with others. Number 13, pursuing meaningful contributions. Instead of seeking fame, focus on making meaningful contributions. Prioritize actions that create lasting positive effects, rather than seeking fleeting recognition, enriching both your life and the lives of others. Number 14, balancing ambition with acceptance. High standards can become a trap if they hinder action. Stoicism encourages us to balance ambition with acceptance, progressing steadily without being paralyzed by unrealistic expectations. Preparing for the unexpected. Mentally rehearse responses to unforeseen challenges to reduce their shock and impact. This strategy strengthens emotional defenses, enabling us to handle adversity with calm and clarity. Navigating life's transitions, embrace perpetual motion and change with resilience and flexibility. By viewing transitions as opportunities for growth, we navigate life's unpredictability with grace and poise. Focusing on self-reliance. Self-reliance involves more than meeting our needs. It empowers us to make decisions based on our values, free from external influences. Cultivating this autonomy strengthens our integrity and confidence. Streamlining our lives, distinguish between essential and non-essential tasks to enhance efficiency. By focusing on activities that align with core values and goals, we increase effectiveness and live with greater intention. Finding contentment in simplicity. True wealth is measured by how little we need, rather than how much we have. Embracing contentment and minimizing desires fosters inner peace and a fulfilling life rooted in simplicity and gratitude. Committing to continuous learning. Revisit and internalize concepts regularly to deepen understanding and transform knowledge into wisdom. This disciplined approach ensures that insights become actionable and relevant in daily life. Valuing thoughtful silence. Speak only when necessary. Thoughtful silence can be more impactful than idle chatter, enhancing our presence and self-discipline while embodying purposeful living. Shaping our reality, events themselves are neutral. It's our interpretations that give them meaning. By controlling our reactions and maintaining inner peace, we turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Living virtue through action. True virtue is demonstrated through actions, not words. Living a virtuous life means embodying principles like integrity and kindness through our deeds, ensuring our actions reflect our deepest values. Seeking inner fulfillment. Genuine happiness comes from within, not material possessions. By cultivating gratitude and contentment, we achieve enduring happiness and a life rich in meaning. Acting for intrinsic goodness. Pursue actions for their intrinsic value, rather than for external validation. This mindset aligns us with deeper integrity and purpose, fostering a life of authenticity and ethical fulfillment. Letting go of grudges. Holding on to grudges hinders growth and well-being. Embrace forgiveness to move forward with a lighter heart, enhancing both personal peace and relationships. Integrating philosophy into life. Philosophy is for living, not just theoretical. Its power lies in practical application, influencing how we navigate challenges and decisions. Integrating Stoic principles into our lives transforms insights into actionable wisdom. Mastering self-control. The greatest control we can achieve is over ourselves. By mastering impulses and focusing on our actions, we cultivate inner strength and resilience, navigating challenges with composure and integrity. Responding thoughtfully. By focusing on thoughtful responses over impulsive reactions, we protect our character and integrity. This approach emphasizes self-control and deliberate action, fostering resilience and inner peace. Taking decisive action. Standing idly by in the face of injustice makes us complicit. Take decisive action to align your life with your values, ensuring you contribute to a just and ethical world. Cultivating inner strength. True strength comes from self-discipline and control over actions and reactions. Prioritizing personal sovereignty cultivates resilience, confidence, and inner peace, leading to genuine fulfillment. Applying clear insights. Embrace simple, actionable Stoic teachings to navigate life's challenges with clarity. This approach makes wisdom accessible and practical. Enhancing personal growth and well-being. Fostering authenticity and confidence. Align actions with values and beliefs to cultivate authenticity and inner strength. Free yourself from the need for external validation, living genuinely and purposefully. Serving others with humility. Focus on service rather than self-promotion, aligning actions with Stoic virtues of humility and generosity. This approach fosters purpose and fulfillment, benefiting both communities and individuals. Defining character through deeds. Emphasize concrete actions and outcomes to embody diligence and effectiveness. Moving beyond intentions, focus on achieving goals and defining character through meaningful deeds, prioritizing meaningful pursuits. Dedicate time and energy to pursuits that foster growth and fulfillment. By prioritizing meaningful activities over temporary distractions, you cultivate purpose and resilience. Navigating challenges with composure. Master emotional responses to guide actions with reason and wisdom. This approach fosters resilience and stability, enhancing personal effectiveness and inner peace. Approaching problems with calm. Recognize the destructive nature of anger and focus on maintaining calm responses. This mindset promotes better decision-making and healthier relationships, navigating difficulties with clarity. Optimizing mental attitude. Shape your perceptions and focus on constructive thoughts to turn adversity into growth opportunities. This proactive approach enhances resilience and fulfillment. Number 17, focusing on core values. How we treat others matters more than material wealth. By cultivating core values and moral excellence, we build a life of genuine significance rooted in the quality of our actions and principles. Number 18, embracing authenticity and integrity. Stand firm in your convictions despite external pressures. Embrace authenticity to live genuinely, inspiring others to value honesty and originality. Number 19, viewing challenges as opportunities. Transform adversity into valuable experiences for growth and self-improvement. This Stoic mindset enhances strength and wisdom, leading to a more empowered and resilient life. Number 20, pursuing values and aspirations. Align your path with your values and aspirations, free from external pressures. Embrace Stoic principles to achieve fulfillment and authenticity, making your achievements meaningful and true to your vision of success. Final thoughts. As we navigate life, let's embrace Stoicism's wisdom, finding strength in challenges, humility in learning, and purpose in our actions. Remember, progress over perfection and impact over fame. Thank you for being part of Stoic Journal. If you found value in today's insights, be sure to watch the suggested videos on the screen for more transformative wisdom.